Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'll show you how to create this auto scroll logo, like logo just auto scrolling on your web page. So this is Figma. You come to, I have my style guide page which I'll be creating that in as a component, and then I insert it on the main page. So what I did was to download the logos from the website link that I've attached in the description below. So I'll arrange all the logos and then align them together and create auto layout, and then just adjust the gap as I want it to be. So here I added 30. So the next step after that is to create a new frame, right? Insert a new frame and then bring in that first frame, the auto layout frame, inside the new frame. And then when you do that, you adjust it to fit the way you want, and obviously the entire auto layout will not fit perfectly in to this new frame that you have, which is the idea. So the excess one, or the ones outside, you then duplicate the new frame and then we'll adjust it. So just watch as I'm doing it here. The reason why I'm adding a background is because I just want to be able to see the logos, because they kind of blended too much into the background. So else there's really no need for a background in my own use case anyways. For yours, you might be adding background, depends on what you want to use it for. So what I would do here is to just reduce the size to the first row, what I want to see per row. I don't know how to explain that. So the first things I want to see displayed, right? So I have about 10 logos, so I'll be displaying like 555, right, in each scroll, right, iteration. So I reduce that, and then if you click on that auto layout, you see that there are some excess um, logos outside. So what I'll just do is to duplicate. I reduce the size so that you can see. So you see when I click on the auto layout, there are other ones. So what I'll do is to use my left arrow key, or just use your just carry it with your mouse anyways, and then move to the left until you capture the other ones that are left. So it depends on how much logos you want to really display. So I just have like 10, so, and I'm choosing like 5 like that. So I adjusted that, and then I will align the two frames together now, and then create component set. So the next thing is just to go straight to the prototyping, which will create the animation or the interaction that we want. So the interaction I'll be using will be the after delay is the trigger, and then I'll just add some 2ms for the delay, and then of course change to the next frame, which is the one that contains the um, other logos, and then the duration 10,000. So you can test different ones really, and then I'll do a reverse, add the same effect back to the first one, so that the moment it's finished scrolling the first row, it automatically moves to the next row and then goes back to the first row, and then it will create like an effect that it's auto scrolling endlessly, so more or less like an endless auto scroll. So I will be changing this to linear, and yeah, do the same for the second one to linear. So I'll just change the component name, and then go ahead on my design page. I'll be using it in this right below this hero section. I will insert it from my assets. Because I added a background, I'll be removing that fill so that it can be blank. I told you the reason why I added it in the first place. So when you adjust like this, you see the excess one, but I will just leave it as it is, to have the first 5 logo or 6 logos, right? And then I'll make sure everything fits into the particular frame that I'm working on, which is this desktop 2. So I bring in that component and everything that should be in. So the next thing is just to test, go to preview, and then let's see how it works out. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, can drop it in the comment section for me. Thank you.